On December 20, just one day before the mass rally for corruption, in-announce niya while doing rounds sa Pabella Hospital with Secretary Ted Erbosa, sinoli niya yung 60 billion.
Yes.
So it's a belated admission of guilt. Para isoli niya yun, napagtanto ko, alam niya na defunding it. Ngayon, ba't i-allow yun ni Secretary Amena? So, liable, no, dito, I'm also calling for the resignation of Secretary Recto and Secretary Amena. Kasi dapat, may maintain mo integrity, yung fiscal discipline.
But this is not about the flood control project, itong kay Secretary Amena.
Yeah, kasi hindi niya dinisiplina.
Okay.
Tsaka, akalain mo, saka naman nakakita, you remember, Deputy Speaker Uno, pinabalik yung budget ng DPWH and then inaayos ni Secretary Vince Dizon at ni Secretary Amena. Ibig sabihin may back job ka. So ibig sabihin hindi mo ginawa yung trabaho mo. And then nung pumasok yung ICI, nalaman nila na 540 billion yung insertions doon. So may dishonesty doon. Bakit hindi sinabi ng DBM yon? At ang sinabi niya, 12,000 po yung pages eh. Hindi ho namin ma-analyze eh. So tinrust lang ho namin sila na okay yon. Pwede ba yon? Ang laking pera yon para hindi ka maging responsible.